Hey, what's up guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. After the launch of the TicWatch E2, is the original TicWatch E worth buying? Well, let's find out. I got this TicWatch E from AliExpress and I have used it for a couple of weeks. First of all, it's available in different color options like white, which I didn't like, yellow and black. The smartwatch comes in metal case which keeps the watch protected when transporting it. And it also has the TicWatch branding. It actually came with a user manual and a magnetic charger. The overall design is really good. It actually resembles a traditional watch with circular design. The build quality is not bad. You get what you pay for. So it's plastic built. The straps are silicone and they feel cheaply made. Though the TicWatch E is a budget smartwatch, it has awesome specifications like 512MB of RAM, 4GB of RAM, the chipset is MediaTek MT2601, and finally it runs on the latest Wear OS based on Android 8. The TicWatch E packs a lot of features and sensors. With all these kind of sensors, you have the ability to measure your heart rate. The sensor is located at the bottom of the watch. Many other features are available too, such as distance travel, calories burnt during fitness and so on. You can also view all the data on the smartwatch. The only missing thing, which could be important to some, is the NFC. The overall performance is okay with some minor lags here and there. Since it runs Wear OS, you can see and reply to notifications as they pop, and also answer phone calls. Navigation of the menu is through the side button and touch input. The screen is a 1.4 inch and uses OLED technology with resolution of 400 by 400. Well, it's really amazing and the text is sharp as well. Before I forget, it also packs a speaker which can be used for alarms, media or phone calls. The overall battery life is good but not great. If you enable the always on screen, then you probably won't last a full day with it. I would suggest you turn off this feature, especially if you're a heavy user. To be honest, it is the cheapest Wear OS smartwatch on the market. It packs a lot of features and sensors, though it lacks NFC. The design is classy. I will recommend it because of the price and overall design. Well, for now that's basically it. If you have any questions regarding this watch, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.